If you open Task Manager on your Windows PC right now and go to the Performance tab, you might notice something surprising. Dozens or even hundreds of processes running in the background. Now here's the important question. Do you really need all of them? Because the truth is, more background processes equals higher system usage. And that can directly affect your FPS, gaming performance, boot time, and overall PC speed. In this video, I will walk you through safe and proven ways to reduce unnecessary process count in Windows 11, which can help lower CPU usage, free up system resources, and boost FPS in games without breaking anything. If you find this helpful, I would really appreciate a like and subscribe. It genuinely helps the channel grow. Now let's begin. Many people try advanced registry tweaks, but honestly, the biggest and safest reduction in process count starts right here. Go to the bottom right corner of your screen and click on the system tray. If this area looks crowded, that means too many applications are running in the background. Open settings. Go to apps. Click on startup. Now you will see a list of all applications that automatically start when your PC boots. Startup apps can increase boot time, increase background CPU usage, and reduce gaming performance. To make this easier, click on Startup Impact to sort apps by high, medium, or low impact. Now disable anything you don't use daily. For example, if you don't use Microsoft Edge, disable it. If you don't rely on OneDrive, turn it off. And apps like Microsoft Bing services can also be disabled. Apps with low or no impact don't matter much, so you can leave them if you prefer. There's another official way to manage startup apps. Open Task Manager. Then go to Startup Apps from the left panel. Here, you get a more detailed view with startup impact, app status, and performance effect. You can disable startup apps here as well. It's the same function, just a different interface. Use whichever you are comfortable with. As you can see here, I have already disabled all the apps that I don't need. Now let's prevent unnecessary apps from the running silently in the background. Go back to settings. Then open apps. After that, click on installed apps. Now scroll through the list and find apps you don't use regularly. For example, Microsoft To Do, Maps, and other built-in Windows apps you never open. Click the three dots next to the app and then go to Advanced Options. Under Background Apps Permissions, change from Power Optimized or Always to Never. If the option is not visible here, you must go to Windows. If you don't have Windows, you can easily install it from the Microsoft Store. Now go to Windows Search and here type Windows. Open it. Go to Performance tab. And here, this background apps option will always be turned off. And as you can see in this message here, it always better to keep it off because preventing apps from running in the background will decrease resource usage and save power. This prevents the app from consuming system resources in the background without uninstalling it. Now we move to a slightly advanced step, Windows Services. Press Windows plus R and here type services.msc and press enter. This shows all services running in the background, many of which increase your process count. Services you can disable if you don't use them. For example, connected user experience and telemetry. It sends diagnostic and usage data to Microsoft. To disable it, double click on the service. Now change startup type to disabled. Then click apply and click OK. After that, disabled downloaded Maps Manager. Safe to disable if you don't use offline maps. Print spooler. Disable it only if you don't use a printer. Then disable Windows Biometric Service. Safe to disable it for desktops without fingerprint scanners. After that, disable Windows Insider Service. Disable if you are not part of the Insider program. Note: do not blindly disable services. For example, disabling Bluetooth services will completely break Bluetooth functionality. Taking a moment to understand what a service does can help you avoid unnecessary issues later. Finally, let's optimize visual effects. Open search. Type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows or run system properties performance.exe. By default, Windows prioritize appearance. Change it to adjust for best performance. Now re-enable only these essentials. Animation in the taskbar, save taskbar thumbnail previews, show thumbnails instead of icons, show Windows contents while dragging, and smooth edges of screen fonts. Now click on apply and then click on OK. This gives you a perfect balance between performance and usability. And that's it. These are safe, effective, and practical ways to reduce process count, lower system usage, and improve FPS on Windows 11. If this guide helped you, then please give it a like, share, and subscribe our channel for more tech tutorials and fixes. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.